DSTAR stands for Digital Smart Technologies for Amateur Radio. It is a digital voice and data protocol specification for amateur radio developed by the Japan Amateur Radio League. Digital voice modes use less bandwidth than frequency modulation, typically only 6 kHz. Leading manufacturers like Icom and Kenwood are manufacturing DSTAR compatible radios which are available in HF, VHF, UHF and even microwave amateur radio bands. DSTAR also provides for network connectivity over the internet. An important difference of DSTAR and other digital modes over FM is that it has a constant voice quality up to a certain distance from the source, unlike FM signal which degrades progressively with distance. Beyond the threshold distance, the data loss is too much that the signal is no longer digitally correctable. Yet, the usable range of DSTAR is same as that of FM. Though most of the DSTAR repeaters are those manufactured by Icom, there are also non-Icom DSTAR repeaters in various places. Homebrew options for DSTAR software-defined radios and repeaters have appeared over time, though mostly it is a commercially manufactured system. Modulation format used in DSTAR is known as minimum shift keying (MSK). Icom systems have a digital data mode on 1.2 GHz amateur band, which is capable of sending and receiving data at 128 kbps. There are also dongles for connecting DSTAR enabled radios to the computer, which in turn can connect globally over the internet. There is also an option to use a dongle for the computer along with the microphone of the computer. These options are for use in regions where there are no DSTAR repeaters. Overall, these options look similar to Echolink, which is an entirely different system. As a disclaimer, I have used neither Echolink nor DSTAR.